I have been asked to address the question, what is the value of person-centered medicine in secondary health care, particularly related to the series of conferences and books and publications ahead. I will make a few points on that. I think that everyone can agree that evidence-based medicine has increased our knowledge in biology, epidemiology, pharmacology, etc., for the last decades, and that mankind has increased its knowledge enormously. But there is also a downside to evidence-based medicine. Typically, the research in evidence-based medicine is presented in averages, making it quite difficult at times to implement in individuals. Evidence-based research quite often is exclusive in terms of age, in terms of comorbidity, in terms of complicated clinical situations. So when you look at the research and you try to implement them in your own patients, you quite often need to extrapolate. I, as a geriatrician, I am very used to extrapolate research from middle age and younger, older age to a population of 85 plus. But quite little evidence is on interventions. The second point I would like to make is that modern medicine has become quite fragmented. It has become organ-specific and highly specialized. This applies very highly to secondary health care. And I just forgot to say that the evidence-based medicine has been the backbone of secondary health care. In that context, person-centered medicine and person-centered care is of enormous importance. And I think that we have to act now, not to wait. Because as Manuel pointed out, things are evolving very rapidly in the 21st century, and we should not wait. The third and last point I would like to make, and that is with reference to the series we are launching now, is the importance of the teamwork. In the case of the conference which I will be participating in on dementia, teamwork is typically the backbone of the care. And in the conference in London next September, I presume that we will have quite many types of healthcare professionals. And I hope that we will address the importance of the team and how the team can work in a personalized way, both in therapeutic and care, will be addressed fully. So with that, I will end this and iterate that person-centered medicine will be of more enormous importance for the secondary health care, and the conference series ahead, which are organ-specific with person-centered approach, will help us very much along that way. Thank you.